Hi guys, welcome to another day of e-learning. This is going to be your lesson for Tuesday, April 28th, and I can't believe it's almost May. This week we're going to do another week of review. So today we're going to review the SAMI rule and words that end with CK. Okay, and we're going to talk about why. So this is all things you all have learned. We're just going to go over it again this week. And then next week, we're going to work on decoding 3-syllable words, okay? Because we've only worked on 2 syllables so far. So next week, we're going to move on to 3-syllable, okay? So first of all, here's my beautiful illustration. Okay, this is our SAMI poster. We call it the SAMI rule because the saying is, Sammy loves friendly zebras. Okay, so this is Sammy loves, this is some zebra stripes. I did not attempt to draw a zebra, okay? And then I put 1 to 1 to 1 because the rule is if it's a 1-syllable word that has 1 short vowel, so 1 syllable contains 1 short vowel and it ends in 1 consonant sound and it's one of these 4 consonant sounds, so or z, then usually, not always, but usually most of the time, you double the final consonant. Okay, so that's the SAMI rule. 1 syllable, 1 short vowel, 1 consonant at the end, and the consonant sound is either s, or z, then you double that consonant sound. Okay, so let's talk about some examples and some non-examples. All right, so first of all, here's our examples. So here's our poster. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see everything. I think you can see it for the most part. Okay, so 1-syllable words. Okay, just remember 1 to 1 to 1 and remember the SAMI rule. Okay, so first example is puff. All right, it's 1 syllable, puff. It has 1 short vowel, which is the U, okay? And it ends in the sound f, which is one of our SAMI words, friendly, okay? Then that means we double that final consonant, okay? So that one's puff. That's an example of the word friendly in SAMI rule. Our next word is yell. So yell, 1 syllable, yell, 1 short vowel, ends in 1 consonant sound, ul, and the sound is one of our SAMI words, loves. We double that consonant, okay? Then we have less, 1 syllable, 1 short vowel, ends in s, double it. Buzz, 1 syllable, 1 short vowel, ends in z, double it. Okay, so those are examples of each letter of the SAMI rule. Sammy loves friendly zebras, okay? You're not always gonna have this poster in front of you, but try to remember the saying and that'll help you when you're spelling words, okay? Then over here we have some non-examples, okay? So the first word is man. Yes, it's 1 syllable. Yes, it has 1 short vowel, but it does not, it ends in n, which is an N. That is not one of our SAMI words, okay? So we would not double that in. It just has 1 N, okay? Next word is cot, 1 syllable, 1 short vowel, does not end in one of our SAMI sounds, so we don't double it. Next word is days. This is the tricky one, okay? Because yes, it is 1 syllable. It has 1 vowel, but it's not a short vowel, okay? It's a long vowel because it does end in one of our SAMI sounds, zebras. It ends in z, but the vowel is long because we have a magic E. So we don't double it, we just put our magic E at the end, okay? 1 syllable, 1 short vowel, one consonant at the end, okay? Fun, is not one of our SAMI words. Late, long vowel, ant is not one of our SAMI words. And case, so is one of our SAMI words. It ends in the sound s, but we see it as a magic E. It's a long vowel, not a short vowel, so we don't double it, okay? That's the SAMI rule. Now, real quick, I'm gonna do one quick example. So if I was encoding or spelling a word, say the word is doll, okay? I would pound it, doll, finger tap it, d, ah, ul. Now I only tapped once because I only hear one sound, right? Ul, but it's one syllable. It's one syllable, doll. It has one short vowel, ah, and it ends in the sound ul, which is one of our Sammy sounds. Sammy loves, loves starts with ul, and that's what it ends with, so I know I need to double it. Okay, so that is doll. Now real quick, we're gonna go over, that's the Sammy rule, okay, and your assignment's gonna have something to do with that. Now we're gonna go over the CK rule, okay, which another way to think of the CK rule is the 1 to 1 to 1, just like the Sammy rule, okay? So, 1 to 1 to 1, one syllable, one short vowel, one ending consonant sound, and the ending is k, okay? So one syllable, one short vowel, and the ending sound is k, all right? It has to have that one sound. It can't be an ending blend like or it just has to be k, okay? So here's examples. If that happens when you're spelling words or reading words, if you're reading words and it's one syllable, one short vowel that ends in k, then it's usually gonna have CK at the end, okay? If you're spelling words, you've got to remember the CK rule, all right? So here's examples. Tack, sock, duck, quack, quack, cluck, cluck, okay? All one syllable words, all have a short vowel, all end in the k sound. So they all end in CK. Non-examples. Take. Why does that not end in CK? Because it's not a short vowel. All right, it's just a magic keyword. It's a long vowel. Take, ache. Another one, puke. We hear k at the end in both of those words, but they're both long vowels. Okay? So example, when you're writing a word that has CK at the end, I wrote it somewhere. Might be tack. Okay, so tack. I only tap once, but I know that even though I'm only tapping once, I'm writing two letters because it's one syllable, one short vowel, and it ends in k. Okay, so I have to put C and K. Makes one sound, but they go together at the end of words. Okay, so your assignment, I'm going to tell you right now what words I want you to write. Okay, and I'm going to tell you what words I want you to write, and then you can either email them to me, you can fill out the worksheet that I uploaded, or write them on your own paper and then send them to me. Okay? So first word, you're thinking of the Sammy rule for this assignment and the CK rule. Okay? So number 1 is off, off. Number 2 is jazz, jazz. Number 3 is chess, chess. Number 4 is cuff, cuff. Number 5 is truck, truck. And number 6 is stick, stick. All right, good luck. Refer back to the video if you need to.